Welcome to this review of FUE clinics. In this video, I'm going to dive deep into my personal experience with their website and services. If you're struggling with hair loss and considering FUE hair restoration, you might be curious about how this site performs, so let me walk you through it. First, let's talk about the layout of the website. FUE Clinics has a clean and simple interface that makes navigation pretty easy. The homepage immediately gives you a clear idea of what they specialize in: FUE hair transplants. There's no excessive clutter, and the site clearly defines its offerings, which is a good start. As I explored further, I noticed their FAQ section is helpful, providing detailed information about their procedures, but the real value lies in the testimonials and before/after photos from previous clients. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, let's talk about the booking process. One of the things I really appreciated about FUE Clinics is how streamlined the consultation booking is. You don't have to search around for contact details. Everything is available on the homepage, and setting up a consultation is a breeze. You can easily schedule an appointment by selecting a date and time that works for you, and there's an option to do a virtual consultation, which adds convenience. In terms of content, they offer a lot of educational material that's useful for anyone considering a hair transplant. The detailed articles break down the process step by step, and the patient journey is easy to follow. The site does a good job of explaining what FUE is, how it differs from other methods, and what results you can expect. However, it's worth noting that the site could include more information about pricing upfront. I had to contact them to get a quote, which could be more transparent. Another highlight is the clinic's accreditation and their team's credentials. The site prominently displays certifications and affiliations with medical organizations, which reassures potential clients about the professionalism of the clinic. But, as with any service, it's important to remember that results can vary, and FUE is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Overall, I would say FUE Clinics has a solid website that's easy to navigate and offers clear, helpful information. But the site could improve by providing more detailed pricing information without needing to contact the clinic directly. Still, if you're seriously considering hair restoration, FUE Clinics appears to be a reputable option. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video to get more reviews like this. Thank you for watching.